Welcome you guys to JD's English Club. Let's practice some daily use English sentences. First sentence. ମୋ ଦେହ ଭଲ ନାହିଁ. I'm not well. I'm not well. ମୋତେ ଜ୍ୱର ହେଲା ପରି ଲାଗୁଛି. I'm feeling feverish. I'm feeling feverish. ମୋ ମୁଣ୍ଡ ଖରାପ କରନି ବା ମୋତେ ବିରକ୍ତ କରନି. Don't get on my nerves. Don't get on my nerves. ଯେତେ ଦୂର ମୁଁ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଜାଣେ. As far as I know him. As far as I know him. ମୁଁ ଇଚ୍ଛା କରୁଛି ମୁଁ ତୁମକୁ ସାହାଯ୍ୟ କରିପାରନ୍ତି କି. I wish I could help you. I wish I could help you. କାମ ଆରମ୍ଭ କରିବାକୁ କେବେ ବି ବିଳମ୍ବ ହୋଇନି ବା କିଛି କାମ ଆରମ୍ଭ କରିବାକୁ କେବେ ବି ବିଳମ୍ବ ହୋଇନି. It's never too late to start. It's never too late to start. ମୋ ପାଇଁ ବି କିଛି ସମୟ ବାହାର କର. Make some time for me as well. Make some time for me as well. ତୁମକୁ ଆଘାତ ଦେବା ଯୋଗୁଁ କ୍ଷମା ଚାହୁଁଛି. Sorry to hurt you. Sorry to hurt you. ଏହା ସବୁ ଭାଗ୍ୟର ଖେଳ. It's all twist of fate. It's all twist of fate. ସମୟ ପୂର୍ବରୁ ନିଜକୁ ସୁଧାରି ନିଅ. Mend your ways before the day is out. Mend your ways before the day is out. ଦୁଇ ଜଣଙ୍କ ଭିତରେ ଆକାଶ ପାତାଳ ଫରକ. There is striking difference between the two. There is striking difference between the two. କାହିଁକି ତୁମେ ନିଜକୁ ଅସୁବିଧାରେ ପକେଇଲ. Why did you trouble yourself? Why did you trouble yourself? ଭଗବାନଙ୍କ କୃପାରୁ ଆମେ ଭଲ ଅଛୁ. We are fine by God's grace. We are fine by God's grace. ତୁମେ ହୋଶରେ ନାହଁ. You are not in your senses. You are not in your senses. ମୋ ଦିନ ଖରାପ କରନି. Don't ruin my day. Don't ruin my day. ଯାହା ସହିତ ଘଟଣା ଘଟେ ସେ ହିଁ ଜାଣେ. Only the wearer knows where the shoe pinches. Only the wearer knows where the shoe pinches. ମୁଁ ଏହି ଘଟଣାକୁ ବଢ଼େଇବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁନି. I don't want to elongate the matter. I don't want to elongate the matter. ତୁମେ ସବୁବେଳେ ଜଲ୍ଦିରେ ଭୁଲିଯାଅ ବା ତୁମେ ସବୁବେଳେ ତରବର ହୋଇ ଭୁଲିଯାଅ. You always forget in haste. You always forget in haste. ତୁମେ ସୀମା ବାହାରକୁ ଚାଲି ଯାଇଛ. You have gone beyond limit. You have gone beyond limit. ଏହିଭଳି ମନଗଢ଼ା କାହାଣୀରେ କିଏ ବିଶ୍ୱାସ କରିବ. Who would believe in such a cock and bull story? Who would believe in such a cock and bull story? ତୁମେ ମୋ ଫୋନ୍ କେଉଁଠି ରଖିଛ. Where have you kept my phone? Where have you kept my phone? ଏହା ମୋର ଅଭ୍ୟାସ ହୋଇଯାଇଛି. It has been my habit. It has been my habit. ମୁଁ ମୋର ନିଷ୍ପତ୍ତି ନେଇଛି ବା ମୁଁ ମୋ ମନରେ ସ୍ଥିର କରିନେଇଛି. I have made up my mind. I have made up my mind. ସେ ମୋତେ ଅଣଦେଖା କଲା. He gave me the cold shoulder. He gave me the cold shoulder. ମୋତେ ଭୋକ ଲାଗୁଛି. I am feeling appetite. I am feeling appetite. ମୁଁ ତୁମକୁ ଗୋଟେ କଥା କହିବାକୁ ଚାହେଁ. I want to tell you one thing. I want to tell you one thing. यह बहुत गुरुत्वपूर्ण. It's very important. It's very important. କଥା କ'ଣ? What is the matter? What is the matter? ମୁଁ ତୁମକୁ କହିବି କିନ୍ତୁ ଗୋଟେ ସର୍ତ୍ତରେ. I'll tell you but on one condition. I'll tell you but on one condition. ମୋତେ କଥା ଦିଅ ତୁମେ କାହାକୁ କହିବନି. Promise me you won't tell anyone. Promise me you won't tell anyone. ଠିକ୍ ଅଛି ମୁଁ କଥା ଦେଉଛି. Okay, I promise. Okay, I promise. ଏବେ କୁହ ଘଟଣା କ'ଣ? Now tell me what is the matter. Now tell me what is the matter. ମୋ ସାଙ୍ଗ ସହିତ ସର୍ତ୍ତ ଲଗେଇକି 5,000 ଟଙ୍କା ହାରିଯାଇଛି. I have lost 5,000 rupees on a bet with my friend. I have lost 5,000 rupees on a bet with my friend. ତୁମ ବାପା ଏବଂ ମା ଜାଣିଛନ୍ତି କି ଏହା ବିଷୟରେ? Have your parents known about this? Have your parents known about this? ନା ଦୟାକରି ତାଙ୍କୁ କୁହନି. No, please don't tell them. No, please don't tell them. ଏଥିପାଇଁ ନିଜକୁ ଦୋଷୀ ଭାବନି. Don't feel guilty yourself for this. Don't feel guilty yourself for this. ଏହି ଘଟଣା ବିଷୟରେ ଭୁଲି ଯାଅ. Just forget about this incident. Just forget about this incident. That's it guys. Thank you for watching. Please like the video if you find it helpful and subscribe the channel for more such interesting videos. Thank you and take care. Keep practicing. Bye.